Hello there. Well, it's a bit of a disappointing start to the week after the bright weekend for the UK and fairly cold under plenty of cloud as well. Here's the latest satellite picture from this morning. You can see a large swathe of clouds sat across the UK. That's because we've got this warm front that's bringing some rain as well. However, further north and west, we've still got high pressure in charge. This is the same high pressure we had over the weekend, but through this week it will retreat westwards, taking that dry weather to more western areas. And in the east, it will turn a bit cloudier and cooler with more rain arriving. But this persistent area of rain this morning is going to continue to affect central and southern areas in particular. There's a lot of cloud around as well, so it will feel fairly dull too and quite cold. However, further north, where we do have that higher pressure in charge, it will be much drier and brighter, particularly for western areas of Scotland. We could see highs of 16, possibly 17 degrees later on this afternoon in these areas. And also across the far southeast of England, it is cooler here because we do have an onshore wind still and cooler air, but should stay fairly dry and bright through the day. Now through this evening, this area of rain is going to sink southwards, restricting the cloud and rain to more southern areas by the time we get to tomorrow morning. Further north, it will turn much drier and clearer. It's going to be a fairly cold night. However, frost will be restricted to the far southeast of England, where we could get down to -1 or 2. It's actually going to be quite a widespread frost across the near continent by tomorrow morning as well. And Tuesday, by and large, will be a much drier and brighter day. But as I said, it is going to be a fairly chilly start. Many towns and cities down to the low single figures. But as I said, frost mainly restricted to the far southeast. Plenty of sunshine to start the day, particularly for northern areas. Northern Ireland, much of Scotland will see sunshine through a lot of the day. Across the far southeast, there'll be some rain first thing, particularly around lunchtime. It could turn a little persistent and there will be quite a bit more cloud around here compared to elsewhere. But by and large, particularly across the west and north, it's going to be a much drier and brighter and sunnier day because we'll have more in the way of sunshine. The temperatures are going to be higher as well, quite a bit closer to average highs of 14, possibly closer to 15 or 16 across south areas of Wales, where we are sheltered from that breeze. But where we do have this northerly breeze, particularly across the east coast, it's going to bring that chillier feel. Temperatures back down into single figures across the east coast through Tuesday. So a bit of an east-west split picture, but plenty more sunshine to come tomorrow. If you're interested in your week ahead forecast, well, you check it out on YouTube with Alex later on today. Bye-bye.